In this exercise, Part A, find all real zeros of the polynomial function. Part B, determine whether the multiplicity of each zero is even or odd. Part C, determine the maximum possible number of turning points of the graph of the function. And Part D, use a graphing utility to graph the function and verify your answer. The function is g of t equals 2t to the fifth minus 14t cubed minus 36t. Part A. To find all real zeros of g of t, first substitute 0 for g of t and solve the resulting equation for t. Solve 0 equals 2t to the fifth minus 14t cubed minus 36t. First, factor out 2t from the expression on the right side of the equation. 0 equals 2t times the quantity t to the fourth minus 7t squared minus 28. Next, factor the expression t to the fourth minus 7t squared minus 28. Write 0 equals 2t times the quantity t squared minus 9 times the quantity t squared plus 2. Next, factor the expression t squared minus 9. You will get 0 equals 2t times the quantity t minus 3 times the quantity t plus 3 times the quantity t squared plus 2. Next, set each factor equal to 0 and solve for t. To solve the equation 2t equals 0 for t, divide each side of the equation by 2. You will get t equals 0. To solve the equation t minus 3 equals 0 for t, add 3 to each side of the equation. You will get t equals 3. To solve the equation t plus 3 equals 0 for t, subtract 3 from each side of the equation. You will get t equals negative 3. Note that the equation t squared plus 2 equals 0 has no real number solutions. So the zeros are t equals negative 3, t equals 0, and t equals 3. Part B. The zeros t equals negative 3, t equals 0, and t equals 3 are of multiplicity 1, or odd multiplicity. Part C. The function g of t is a fifth-degree polynomial, so the graph of g can have, at most, 5 minus 1 or 4 turning points. So the number of turning points is, at most, 4. Part D. Graph g of t equals 2t to the fifth minus 14t cubed minus 36t. Note that the x-intercepts are negative 3, 0, 0, 0, and 3, 0. Also note that the function g of t has 2 turning points.